Gun that we're reviewing is man Jake's gun. Go ahead.
Alright, well, you didn't want to do it?
Let's go. You do it.
Alright, well, I'll start it off. This is a Ruger SR556. I don't have many cons about this gun. I love this thing. But I guess we'll talk about aftermarket pieces I put on it. I took the stock off, put a different one on it. It's a Magpul. I'm not sure the name of the stock, forgive me. But it's got a BSA red dot on here. It ran me about 70 bucks at Bass Pro. Got the flashlight actually come with the optic, but I put it on the front here. And I got this bipod slash forward grip mount that one of my friends gave me. The rail covers came with it. And it's about my review. This is a great gun to shoot, fun to shoot too. But we'll let Luke have it now.
Alright. What do you want me to say on this one?
Whatever you like about it, whatever you don't
Well,
like.
this is his gun, and this is the one that Hillbilly Bo shot at the them old snappers out there. It's one that we shot at it, shot with this gun. I've shot this gun a lot, actually. You know, being friends with him. Shot it a lot. I actually like it. Has, I mean, for 223, of course, it's not going to have any little to no recoil, you know. And it shoots 223s, in case some of y'all don't know. And these are full metal jackets. Yeah, I don't really have many cons on this gun. I mean, the only thing I guess I can say I do not really care about it is the scope. But other than that, it's an all-around a good gun. It's dependable. Ruger puts out a really good product. I have to give that to them. I have a couple of Ruger guns myself. But alright, I guess we're just gonna go fire it now. Alright, so we got an assortment of objects Jake's gonna shoot with the AR. We got a Diet Coke, we got a couple bottles standing up, Peace Tea can, and then we have something a little special in that one. I actually don't even know if it's gonna do anything, but we're gonna give it a shot.
There's one thing I forgot to mention that I like about this gun, and it's the chambering. Chambering on this gun is so smooth. I love it so much. It's great. Alright, now we're gonna shoot at these little assortment of bottles and cans here and see if we can get done. Alright, you got your fully loaded 223. That'll give me and old Luke here about 15 shots apiece. Alright, I'm not meaning to be on target, alright, so don't make fun of me if I'm not. But I'll do my best. Alright, which one we shoot first? Coke can?
Yeah. Demolished it.
Peace Tea?
Demolished it.
Diet Coke? No, that's right. Peace Tea?
Alright, let's get back for this one a little bit.
We don't know if we're gonna do anything with this, but that Gatorade bottle has gasoline in it, so we'll see what it'll do.
Well, I mean, you hit the pond. You killed some of the turtles out there, Bo.
Yeah. Well,
so I'm about to shoot at this kind of a gas can out here. You really can't see it, but it's right out there in the pond. You might see it a little. It's got pressure in it. And shoot it with old Delilah. I don't mean to be honest either, but we're gonna try. Safety's on.
well.
If it ain't dead, I don't know what is. Alright. Got a couple bullets left in here. It's time to dump the mag.
That was fun.
Yep.
Mud all over me, but hey.
Let's do it. That was our review on these two guns today. We've done the best that we could. This is our first review. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And stay tuned. And there will be more coming. I promise that. We got spare time on our hands in case you didn't know. So yeah, like and subscribe this video. And stay tuned for more. I'm Luke.
I'm Jake. We're
It was two infidels.
Yeah.
I almost got it.